happy. Because I just feel like I was in the 200s for so long. I took a massive break from streaming, like 8 months or something. So it's really cool to see it in the 300s. Should we leave or do we wait for Mr. Myers to come? I didn't even put my boon up this game. What a cutie. I love him. Can we keep? Bye. Bye. I wanted to give him the other beamer. He's like, moonwalk out of here, bitch. Get out of town. Bye, Mr. Myers. What a cutie. I love him. But I love him. What is this song to? Let's put this on. Here we go. Alright, Robin's coming. Robin's cracked, dude. I'm gonna do flashbang background player. I wanna try and pull one off if I can. Do 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 do. There you are. I'm gonna join Robin's party because I can't invite them because they must have their thing closed or something.
Yeah.
There we go. Right. Cool. Nice, very good. Do you reckon the chat looks good where it is? I keep changing my mind on where I want to have it, and I don't know, I can't decide. I also need to find a better playlist. This is a bit depressing. KK Cruising. Oh my god, cute. Top right. Let's try it. So like, would you have it like all the way over? Would you sort of align it with stuff? Like see how that's like, oh. Or would you just straight up, would you just have it like in here? Oh my god. Oh, I'm pressing my Windows key. I was wondering why it wasn't locking on. Oh, wrong button. Hold on. That's good. Yeah. Like that. I'll just have to see where the status effects come into it because I'm not sure if that will cover it. But that might be okay. It looks like the messages are going into your profile. Oh, wait, that is cute. Okay. Hold on, let's pull up my stream. My phone, let me see it in all its glory. Oh, hand demon chat, everybody. Let me get onto that. Perky catch. That seems good, right? That seems really good. I'll see what it looks like when someone follows next, because it takes up like the whole thing. But I can actually turn that off, like for like events like that. I can turn that off and just have the alert. That way this looks good. Do you think it should be bigger, or is it good? Is it nice as it is? I just want people to be able to, like, if they want to watch without chat. You think it looks okay the way it is? Okay, good, I'm glad. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I mean, it seems like people can read it. I like it. Okay. That should be good then. All right. Congrats, Seth. We got the dog.
Very nice.
Kind of need to give my Steam profile a makeover a little bit. Do. Let's do that while we wait. Change my avatar. Do that one. First match of the day. Whoop whoop. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully. Ooh, I love me some Grave of Glendale.
Who's the lady?
Well, I might need to come over a little bit slightly because of the bar. Oh, but then it won't be even though. Oh no, what do I do? I'll just leave it. I'll leave it and see how that looks. Is Dog Lady? Oh, it is Dog Lady?
It is Dog Lady. I haven't had enough games against her yet.
Oh my god, it's Dog Lady. I haven't had her in a bit. She's on the ground. Chat might need to go down a little bit. Maybe.